There are a gazillion of web server frameworks. Which one should I use? The big pile of web server frameworks can be sliced in many ways. So the first criteria: commercial versus open source. What is your guess? If you know me from my channel or if you have seen my previous video in the series. I mean, I'm sure Microsoft IIS or ASP.NET are really good web servers, especially for anyone who can't shut their own windows. But it just doesn't do it for me. So let's dump all commercial and closed source web servers and just go for the open source ones. We still have a big pile left to choose from, and a quick googling to list the most popular web frameworks will reveal Cake using PHP, Rails using Ruby, Spring using Java, Laravel using PHP, Django using Python, Vue using JavaScript, and the trio Express for JavaScript, Angular for TypeScript, that is Google, and React using JavaScript, that is Facebook, all using Node.js. This is a big pile. I know I'm mixing up the two terms web frameworks and web servers, but from my perspective right now, they are connected. We need another selection criteria, and a proper lean startup criteria would be development speed. But actually I'm going to go with curiosity and fun. The criteria languages. PHP, though quite popular, seems to me at least to be a bit old and dusty. Ruby has really never taken off, has it? I have already done stuff with Node.js and JavaScript. So let's go for Python. And I use it almost daily in my day job. So let's see what it can do on a web server setting. For Python, there are two major frameworks, Django and Flask. They're more or less equal in popularity, so I'll just choose one. Let's go for Django. There is also a possibility to put a client framework in front of a Django server, such as the combination Django with React or Django with Angular. But Django has a built-in client framework, so we will try that one out first. We're sticking with Django, both for front-end and back-end. About popularity. Here are some companies that are said to use Django: Instagram, Pinterest, Coursera, Udemy, YouTube, and Spotify. How could I possibly go wrong with that? And now, databases. The vanilla Django setup comes with an SQLite database. But why do this the easy way? Where is the fun in that? I want a NoSQL solution. I want MongoDB. There are at least 3 different ways to integrate Mongo in Django. The one I've chosen is the Django route. Django is a plugin for Django that makes Mongo act as a relational database to Django. So Django sees no differences to SQLite, while I will get my MongoDB. We will go for MongoDB with Django in our Django. That is a mouthful. Would you have made another choice? Any experiences using this? Do leave a comment below. I really would like to know what I'm getting into. According to the internet, Django is also regarded as a quite fast developer framework. If this turns out true, we would also meet the lean startup criteria, development speed. That would be nice. Finally, a note on hosting. I'm not really sure where I will host the final web application yet. I will dedicate a future video to this topic. Different hosting also increases the number of choices or limits it depending on what they support. Any input on hosting? Any opinion? Do comment below. I really appreciate your input on this topic. So do subscribe to follow along and hold my hand in this exciting startup journey. Our subscribers will also get on the VIP list when it's time to open up to signing up for the new tool. Who knows? It might just be the tool you are waiting for. Next time, we'll gain some understanding on the Django framework and start hacking on it a bit. See you in the next one.